good morning. It's Wednesday and it's time for phonics. So I hope you're well rested. It's going to be a busy one today. We'll start with this. B, b, b for busy. B, b, b. Down and round like a round ball. B, b, b. Good. Next one. Good. Let's keep this up. Or. A few more. I. Hope you're getting these all right. That's too easy, that's too easy. They've got really easy. I might stop there and we can get on to today's sound, because for the past couple of days we've been doing the letter E. Today we're going to do the same sound but with a different grapheme. Have a look at this. Okay, what sound is that? Yeah, it's E. Anything else? Let's have a look. So, E. What would the word be if it was this? K-E, key. K-E, key. Good. But what would the word be if it was that? So E, the, no, not the, they, a. So E can also make a noise. Let's do a couple more. What about something we all like to have? Or E, money. I think it's this thing that's the problem. That should be a today. Like Monday. E, money. Well done if you got money. There was a tricky O sound there. Let's do another one. We will do E, gree. That's not a word. Like that one. Grey. Grey, like the clouds outside today. Hopefully not for long. Hopefully it will get brighter. About this one. Obey. No. Obey. If you obey someone, then you're doing as you're told. You're doing what they tell you to do. Okay? Right. Enough from me. It's time for you to do some writing. Your first word is pray. And be careful, I don't mean pray like we do in the morning and at the end of school. I mean pray like predators hunting down their prey. So here, the sound buttons, pray, and remember, this is how we make the A, okay? Pray, that's your A. Write that one down. You can pause if you need to and then come back to check. Right, pray. Good. If we were doing this praying, it would be pray. Okay, pray like that. Pray is that one. Okay, one more. Oh, this is an interesting word for you. One, survey. Oh, sorry, I've given you the first bit. Given you a start there. Survey. Very tricky word. Okay, are you ready to talk about this one? A survey, by the way, in case you don't know that word, a survey is when you count something up to see how many there are. So we might be doing a survey of how many birds there are in the garden, or a survey of how many cars there are on the road. A survey is like a count of how many. Anyway, survey. Well, we know that one and that one or that one. So if you put any of them, well done, you've got The one in this word, survey, that's the right one. Serve, v. And then A is this. Survey. Tricky words today. Okay, gonna do a bit of spelling. Well, not spelling, reading. I'm gonna write 3 words up, and I want you to pause it till you're comfortable that you know what the words are, and then you can press play and check. First one. You might be getting used to this one by now. Very tricky word. Very tricky word. This one. And this one. Pause and come back when you're ready. Okay, let's go. Probably this one's easier. Starts with w, a, want. No, it doesn't make an a in this word. It makes it o. Want, want. Next one, we'll do this one because this one's easier. Over, not over. That's a split digraph O. Over, over and over and over. Good. Now for the tricky one, and I think we need to try and learn this as a sight word. Laughed, laughed. So that's because of this suffix. It's in the past. Laughed. I laughed at the joke Mrs. Heath told me yesterday. But if it's in the present tense, we don't have the ed. We just have laugh. You can make me laugh with a joke now, but yesterday I laughed at the joke Mrs. Heath told me. Okay? You'll do more of that when you get a little bit bigger. Don't worry. Okay. Let's do some quick write, shall we? So we'll get a bit more of this page for me. Your first one, ready? Get your stop clock, pause the tape when you see the word, and in 30 seconds, how many times can you write? They, go. Okay, you're back. How many did you do? Excellent. They're quite short words today, so see if you can get a better score with this one. Next one. It's already on the board, I think, this one. Grey, the colour grey. Press pause, 30 seconds, go. Good. How many did you get? Hopefully you got plenty of those. Doesn't matter if you don't get very many though, just make sure your letters look right and they're in the right order. Next one more speed write, and it's going to be obey. So that's the things off. Obey. Ooh. Obey. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, well done. That's all the speed writing finished. Last thing we have to do today, you can put your pencils down, have a little rest. It's just reading. So I'll write the sentence and you guys just have to read it. Okay, it's your final challenge, and it's a big one because I've taken away all of the words. So you don't have any clues today, but you don't need them because you can do this. We've done the words, we've practiced. Now you just have to read this sentence, and when you're sure that you can read it, come back and see if you've got the same as I have. So ready with your reading eyes. So first word, finger space. You can do that one with the phonics as well, can't you? Finger space. Oh, I'm out of room, but that's okay, I'll come down here. One more word, finger space. Okay. So see if you can read that one and then come back. You should have said, they must obey the teacher. They must obey the teacher. The Rowan children must obey the teacher. The Line children must obey the teacher. Yes? Good. Is my sentence finished? Not quite, no. Look, need a full stop. Now it's finished, and now phonics is finished for today. So I hope you have a lovely rest of the day, and I'll see you tomorrow for a bit more. Bye.